Hi, this is Helen Shader. Student number is 575911112. Today I'm going to do practical lab, which is non-sterile compounding of an ointment. So today I'm going to do compound dilantin 5% in zinc oxide ointment, total of 40 gram. To determine how much dilantin I need, I took dilantin, which is X equal 5%. So to find it out how much dilantin I need, so 40 gram of zinc oxide minus X, which is I've got 2 gram of dilantin to get my amount of dilantin. And now Y minus X, which is Y minus the 2 gram dilantin, I have got to 38 gram zinc oxide ointment. To determine dilantin, the 10% of margin of error, which is 2 multiplied by 10%, I've got 0.2 gram of 10% dilantin, which is my maximum amount. To find it out, 2 gram plus 0.2 gram equal 2.2 gram, my maximum amount. And to get my minimum amount, which is 2 gram minus 0.2 gram equal 1.8 gram, my minimum amount. To get the zinc oxide, also margin of error 10%, 38 gram multiplied by 10%, which is 3.8 gram. So to get the maximum amount, 38 gram plus 3.8 gram equal 41.8 gram. And to get the minimum amount, which is 38 gram minus 3.8 gram equal 34.2 gram. So this is my calculation. And I have my master formula sheet, my log book, compounding log sheet, also sterile gloves, 2 weighing board, scale, alcohol pipette, empty container for the ointment jar, petroleum jelly, which is my zinc oxide, cocoa butter, which is my dilantin, and my prescription, which is label, which is Louis Bellinger, my spatula, parchment paper for the ointment. So let's do my hand wash. You can see it, I believe, yes. Filling my paper towel to turning my water faucet, waiting for warm water, disposing my paper towel. Get my hand, get the soap, and start the motion. cross finger downward. My elbow. Giving the brush. Scarring my nails under my nail. Using the clean paper towel to blotting my hand, dry it up. Disperse the paper towel using the turn my water off, disposing my paper towel. Now my hand is dry. I'm wearing my gloves on. Now I'm going to sterile my tools. Using alcohol pipette. My spatula. Winding board. Let it air dry. My ointment jar. Scale. Parchment paper, my ointment paper. So now I'm turning my scale on. Okay, as you can see, which is 0. You can see it. Now I'm placing my winning boat tear it out. 0. So I'm getting my Darlington, which is 10% of margin of error, not more than 2.2 gram or less than 1.8 gram. So I'm trying to get 2 gram. It's a little bit extra. Two point two. So I'm putting it back. Exactly 2.2 gram, which is my maximum margin of error. Using the alcohol pipette to wipe it off my spatula. That's my Darlington, and now again I'm tearing out, I'm zero it out. It is, you can see, yes, 0. Placing my winning board, tear it out, which is, you can see, 0. So I'm going to get 10% of margin of error, my zinc oxide, which is maximum not more than 41.8 gram or less than 34.2 gram. $36 gram. Trying to do so. So I've got 40.7 gram. I mean 40.8 gram, which is between my, yeah. Let me put it on before I forget. 40.8 gram, and I've got my 2.2 gram. So turn my off, and now I'm going to placing my Darlington and my zinc oxide. Which is I'm mixing it. Make sure it get mixed together. I'm folding it. All mixed together evenly. Now I'm going to package this ointment to the ointment jar. It's mixed good. I'm packaging it. Make sure there is no bubble in there. As you can see, it's packaged it, so I'm closing the jar. And labeling on, which is the patient is Louis Ballinger. So let's label it on. So it says the medication prepared today is 7/6. The ointment, the compounding ointment is prepared today 7/6/2025, and it's going to be expired 7/6/2026, which is this is compounding ointment. It's going to be the 1 month from today. So it's the BUD, beyond use date, 08/05/2025. So for a month, which is, you can see, yeah, his handwriting is not that good. So this is ready. Now I am going to fill up my compounding logbook. Which is today's date, 07/06/2025, and the prescription number is 6001060. Ingredients: Daruntin, %. Manufacturer: Park Davis. Which is according to the master formula sheet. I'm getting that information. And division Pfizer. Lot number GEF 82022 MCF, and expiration date 8/08/2030. Quantity use, which is I've got 2.2 gram, and compounded expiration 08/05/2025. The second ingredient, which is zinc oxide, today's date 07/06/2025, and the RX number, same RX number, 6001060. This is ingredient name, zinc oxide. Ointment. Manufacturer, Rugby. And this is, lot number is MAA 82022. Expiration date 12/2030, and quantity use, which is 40.8 gram. And the compounding medication expires 08/05/2025. So this is my finished my compounding log, and now offline I'm going to clean all my tools, sterilize them for future use. Thank you.